So it's 2 years later, maybe a little longer, and both my sets of stairs are still doing their thing. This is them, been in use for this entire time. This is the kind of wear they get, you know, just from walking, or, you know, puppies scratching and playing with them, which they love to do. Again, these are 2 years old. They've been through the washer a number of times. I still would never buy any other type of stair except for this one. And I love this brand, Best Pet Supplies, as well, because it comes in all of these different colors. I love this teal. I mean, this is 2 years old of heavy use the entire time. These are they're really great. This is the bottom. This is the zipper. Haven't had any zipper failures in all the times that I've washed them. They're just great. They're great stairs. Hey, I could buy another pair. But for right now, they're doing what they need to do. And I would still, years later, highly recommend them to anyone.
I'm so proud of you, me muffin. I'm so proud of you.
Well, yeah. I mean, at first I thought that the reason Democrats were so upset about the
Pugsley.
release is I thought they were just trying to,
Come here, boy.
because nobody cares about this. This is not a political issue that's going to work in an election. And so I thought maybe they were trying to pretend like there was something secret about all this stuff. But now I think when you
Charlie, you're back up. When you get tired, you wake brother.